Hey everyone, Matt here in my workshop. Right here, this is my wife's bike. This is her anniversary present. I got her this frame. She bought the drivetrain. Yeah, it's an Allied Able. I called my wife's bike the Able, but it's actually an Echo. Yeah, I've talked a little bit about road bikes versus race bikes. This is a road bike. You can even put gravel tires on it if you want to do some gravel racing. Super wonderful bike. But there was something happened when I ordered it that I wanted to talk about. As I was about to put in the order, my contact there said, oh, by the way, remember that this bike only works with certain handlebars. And I was like, what? Wait, what? Oh, crap. We're in the era of integration. We've seen it in race bikes, in mountain bikes, in gravel bikes, just lots of integration. And in this case, because of the way the hoses route into the frame, they go through the stem. And in order to go through the stem, the hoses have to go into the bar and then out the center of the bar. And only a certain number of handlebars have that kind of routing. I don't know about you, but when I ride a bike, my hands are mostly on the bars. The handlebar's like pretty important. So not any old bar will do. And I'm sitting there thinking, oh no, unless I can find a handlebar that I know she likes, I can't buy this awesome bike. So I looked around a bunch and I came across a bar that I've used before. I know she'd like. It was prepped for internal routing for the stem. I didn't even know that. It's this NVAR bar, a bar I really like. It's actually probably my favorite bar. It reminded me that this integration thing, although there are a lot of benefits, like the front end of this bike looks beautiful. Aerodynamically, it makes a big difference, and that's why you see it on a lot of race bikes and aero bikes. Get that spaghetti out of the front, saves watts. So there's advantages, but like I said, the handlebar is super crucial. Stem is super crucial for fit. And as we go down this road to integration, we're in danger of reaching a point where people have to compromise their comfort, their preferences to ride a bike.